In this video, I'm going to explain about the different data types that is used in C. Generally, it is categorized as primary data types, user-defined data types, and derived data types. We'll see what are that in detail here. So, in primary data type, we have integer, character, floating point, double floating point, and void. Derived data types are functions, arrays, pointers, and reference, whereas user-defined are classified as class, structure, union, enum, and type-defined. In the primary data type, we have integer. An integer is one where we declare the integer type of variables, and the keyword used is int here, and size is 2 bytes. Range of the general integer data type is this, size is 2 bytes as I mentioned, and the format specifier that we use to put it inside the program is %d, and this is how the syntax of a integer data type is. It is syntax of integer is int num, and example is if you want to declare a integer variable int a and a equal to 0 10, and the integer data type can be used as unsigned int, long int, short int, unsigned short int, unsigned long int, and variable is also. Next is the character data type. To declare the character data type, we use the keyword as char, char, and the size is actually 1 byte. Generally, we can store only one single character in this type of data type. And character data type format specifier is %d, and the range is this. Syntax is char, and the variable example is char a, and in that we'll have storing only one variable, one character. Yes. And in spite of all this, if you are feeling difficult to remember the size of the data type and the type, or the other way of reverse way of thinking is if you want to understand what data type is this, by the size also you can find it. And for that, the size of operator is used to check the actual size of any data type. It can be a character, integer, floating point, or anything. Floating point and the integer data type is varied by such way that when we have decimal values, we will use the floating data type. If it is a whole number, then we go on to the integer data type. So in floating point, we use the keyword as float, and the size is 4 bytes, and the format specifier is %f, and the syntax of float data type is float variable. And last one is void. In void data type, this actually tells us that there is no value present in it, and it will not return any value at all. It will not do any operation. It will not do. It has no values, and it will not even return any result to the column. If we call it a function, we use it in functions also. Void main also we use. Main function is also having void. If you want to return value, then you will put it as int. And generally we put void because we don't return anything. So this is how we use void in multiple ways, such as functions, return type, function arguments, and then pointers to void. This is the example of where how you use this. Find the size of a data type. So size of character, float, and double float are given by this way, and the answer, if you print it, the answer will be integer is 4, character is 1, float and double float are this. And here we have used int instead of void. These are the different data types mentioned here with its size and the format specifier and the range also. And this is an example for positive data, negative data, unsigned, integer and long int, the answers for that. Hope you understood this.